Stop. If you care about SEO, you need to hear this one truth about your website's title. There is major confusion between two pieces of HTML code, the standard title tag and the non-standard meta name equals title tag. The verdict is clear, and it comes straight from Google. The meta name equals title tag is useless for search results. The official Google Search Central documentation, which you can find at the link in the description, only ever references one element for your page's title, the HTML title element. This is the only code Google and other major search engines use as the primary source for the clickable headline in their search results. It performs two vital functions. 1. It names the tab in the browser, and it is your single most important signal to Google about your page's content. 2. The most visible and critical function for SEO is that the content of the title tag is what Google primarily uses as the clickable headline, the title link, on the search engine results page. Your SEO checklist is simple. 1. Use only the title tag. 2. Make sure it's unique and descriptive for every page. 3. Keep it concise, aiming for around 60 characters to avoid truncation. Don't waste time on the fake title tag. Focus your effort on writing compelling, keyword-rich title elements. That is the actual best practice supported by every major search engine. Like this video if it cleared up the confusion, and subscribe for more essential, myth-busting SEO advice based on official sources.